Bedside Inky is Crippled unboxing. This is Sin City Soaps, and I really wanted to do hers um, in the old format where I actually show my face and show the product, because she seems to like those types of unboxings. I just can't with the way, what's going on with my foot right now. I can't get upstairs, set up the tripod, so I'm sorry. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alrighty. Here we have the Sin City Soap information. I don't know why this box is so big, honestly. I don't recall ordering that much. And a thank you card. This is cute. It's kind of, you see it's 3D-ish. She's just thanking us for support. Nicole and Wayne. Here we go. Just a card. And get in the seal. Oh, this stuff is gonna make a mess on my bed. All right. So what have we here? I ordered. What is that? I ordered bath bombs and wax melts. So let's take a look at the wax melts. I'll be right back. I'm gonna open this up. All right, the first one, oops, it's breaking off a little bit. The first one that I have is vanilla. Look at all the sparkle on there. I was watching a video of her making the wax melts, and I'm like, I must have some of that shimmer in my life. So that's the vanilla. I got 2 of these. This is blueberry. The shimmer is real. Beautiful. Who doesn't love some shimmer in their lives? Next we have, what was this one called? Cherry Blossom. Oh, that smells good. Cherry Blossom. And we have lemon. This smells like heaven. I do love a lemon everything. And then finally, Baja Cactus, which also smells amazing. I do love a Baja Cactus too. Look at that prettiness. Wow. All right, that's it for the wax melts. All right, what's next? I bought these because they are a bargain. So you get 3 of them for, I think it was $9. Avobath? Is that what that says? I don't remember the scents that I got. I just said I'm gonna get myself 2 packs of these, so that way I have 3 baths for $9, which is an amazing bargain. And their bath bombs are always so soft, and the crush is always freaking awesome. So I got this pack of 3, and then this pack of 3. This is Beach Daisies. I mean, come on, that's a great deal. I don't care what anybody says. Next, I got these Flower Bomb. This is wax melt. Beautiful, and I got it just for the beauty of it. Let me see what I have here. Did I order 2? 1, 250. I just ordered 1. Thank you for the extra. Okay, so these were $4 a piece, and I got an extra one. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. By the way, all those little cups of wax, I forgot to tell you guys, were $2.50 each. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm trying to say 4. I think she sent me extra of that too. Cherry Blossom, I got 1. Baja Cactus, I got 1. Blueberry Pumpkin, I got 1. Vanilla, I got 1. And I thought I got a lemon as well. Either way, I got extra of that too. All right. What else do we have here? Cute little pencil. Oh, this is adorable. What is this? So I just discovered, by getting myself wet by mistake, that it is bubbles in there. Adorable. My granddaughter will love that. She's really into bubbles right now. What else do we have in here? Yes, the Flip Flop Bath Bomb. Ooh, what's that? I did not order this. It's grape. Let me check my invoice. She's always so freaking generous. You would think because she's so generous, I would just always. Oh, I hope you like the grape casket melt. That's what that is. I thought it was a bath bomb. It is a melt. Nice. She's always so generous with her shipments that you would think that all I would ever order is hers because she always is so generous. But I always also feel like I'm, you know, almost like I'm taking advantage because she's so generous, and I know that. All right. This next one is Unicorn Bubbling Bath Bomb. And I will be honest, a lot of these I have already demoed. And so I got these, especially these, for days where I don't have the energy to actually do a demo, where I just know I can just count on this. I may just demo one of them and the other 2 are just for me. So that's actually what I did with this bomb here, because I've already demoed this a couple of times, I believe, for her. So this is just when Ingrid doesn't feel like demoing, or right now when I can't demo, which I didn't know when I ordered this that I would not be able to demo, since I just fell the other day. All right. This next one looks a little crumbly. I hope it's not broken, but it looks like it has a crack up here, but it should be fine. This is in lemon, and it's backyard bugs. I'm actually allergic to bees, but these are fine. Oh yeah, it is really crumbly. Sometimes that happens in shipping. This one is the breast cancer awareness. It's a little bra there. And I don't know if you guys know, but sister-in-law passed away. I can't even really say it. Like, she passed away last summer of breast cancer. It still feels completely surreal. It feels like it didn't happen. I miss her a lot. And so I decided to get one of these. And here is another Flip Flop Bath Bomb. Looks like we have a piece of jewelry here. Oh, it's cute. Look at that. Trying to see how it hangs. Here we go. It hangs like this. Flip around, flip around. Thank you so much. All right. So everything's out of the box. But what is this? Oh, is that what's in there? Trying to make sure she didn't throw some bath bombs inside. I was sitting here saying, oh, it's a shower brush. It is a shower brush. Thank you. Yes. Yes, for those hard to reach areas. Amazing. This thing is amazing. So generous, as usual. All right, so what do we have here? We have the shower brush. We had this amazing wax. It's wax, guys. We have the bubbles and the pencil and the pretty necklace. We have the flip-flop in cotton candy. We have another flip-flop in sea salt and orchid. We have, I keep wanting to hold it like this way because it's like a heart. We have this breast cancer awareness, unicorn bubbling bath bomb scented in red. We have this amazing 3-pack. This one's in apple bag. This one's in beach daisies. We have the flower bomb wax melt, the backyard bugs and lemon, and I believe the rest we have are these wax melts. Alright guys, that's it for Sin City Soaps. Thank you so much, Wayne and Nicole. As usual, the unboxing is always amazing because you guys make it that way by packing it stiffly full of stuff. Alright guys, I will talk to you guys on the next one.